How to add debit or credit card on BootsMe app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application BootsMe is already installed on a device. Once you have it on a device, open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is head over to My Boots at the bottom right corner of the screen. The option of payment cards will be visible to you. Head over to it. In here it says you do not have any saved cards. When you complete a transaction and select the option to save card for future use, that card will be displayed here. It means you cannot directly add any of the card in here. In order to add, what you want to do is you simply have to select the product that you want to purchase. And at the end of the checkout, you have to select the payment method. Simply choose credit or debit card. And then you have to enter all the detailed information of your card, including your card number, card name, expiration date, social security number, and many more. Once you have made the payment with the card that you have chosen will be available in this page, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card on BootsMe app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.